Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Zipat Sniper Notes. So today we are going to discuss about Zipat 2022 strategy. Means everyone will give you about notes, which topic should we cover, which books we should prefer, and hardly you will get 4 to 5 months from now because last year in February 2021 GPAT exam was conducted. Might be this year in January or February GPAT 2022 will be there. So you must know how much topper got marks in 2020, 2021 and what will be in 2022. So you have to analyze that. So today we are going to today I will give you the brief idea about topper marks. You all know aware about there is a exam of 500 marks, 125 questions, each question carry 4 marks. There is a negative marking, and this everyone knows that. So see, GPAT 2020 topper got around 312 marks out of 500, 312 marks out of 500. So what do you think? Means about 300 you must be correct about 75 plus, means between 75 to 80 questions topper has mark correct. Might be he solved 110 or 112, and from that he got right around 80 plus, means might be 82 or 85 questions will be correct. And so if he minus negative marking, then he will be settled at 312. And if you see 2020 who got marks between 250 to 312, they are among in top 100. So what, so this should be easy. But so means around day by day competition is increasing, so you have to study hard. This year 312 got topper got marks, so you have to you plan your strategy accordingly. Then next, if you look at GPAT 2021, so topper got 360 marks out of 500. Means what, competition is increasing day by day. 312 then 360, and top 100 have 270 to 360 marks. Okay, then if we look, means if we assume in what will be in GPAT 2022, so this should be depend on question paper. Means question paper is easy, moderate or difficult depending on cutoff will be there. But might be we assume that might be topper, means see, last to last year topper has 312 marks, then last year topper has 360 marks, so might be topper of GPAT 2022 might be get 400 marks. So you have to plan your study accordingly, that you should must get marks above 350, above 400. So you would be settled in between that in final exam. And we know the reason that competition is increasing day by day. Hardly 50,000 students are giving GPAT exam, and around 3,000 or 4,000 should be qualified, and then they will go for NIPER. And then okay, then might be top 100 have marks 300 to 400 marks. So you would be set your record that you must get marks in mock test above 400. So you will be settled in 300, 320, 350. And so that's it. If you have any queries, please comment. Okay, thank you.